question, we have to show that 3 sin x tan x is equals to 8 can be written as 3 cos square x plus 8 cos x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, let's get started. Writing 3 sin x. I'm replacing tan x with sin x upon cos x equals 8. So I get 3 sin square x is equals to 8 cos x. Now we can't have sine and cos, at least sine square and cos in the same equation like that. So what we can do is we can use the identity sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1 and change sine into cos as well. We'll replace sine square with 1 minus cos square. So 3 times 1 minus cos square x is equals to 8 cos x. Now I'm going to rearrange it, move everything to the same side. We'll first get minus cos square x goes to the other side, becomes 3 cos square x. And then 8 cos x was already here. And then plus 3 comes here, becomes minus 3. So we got this equation. Now in part 2, we have to solve this. So this is just a hidden quadratic equation. Let me copy that again. I'm sure it can be solved using middle term breaking as well. If it can't be, then you can also use quadratic formula, but I can use 9 and 1. So I'm going to stick to the original expression cos x. I'm not going to do let cos x is equals to y to save time. So 3 cos square x plus 9 cos x minus cos x minus 3 is equals to 0. I'm doing middle term breaking here. 3 and cos x can be taken common. So we get cos x plus 3. Negative 1 can be taken common. Cos x plus 3 equals 0. So 3 cos x minus 1 and cos x plus 3 equals 0. So we have cos x equals 1 over 3 and cos x equals minus 3. Even if you try to solve this in the calculator, you'll get math error, and we'll discuss more about that when we study graphs of trigonometric equation. So for now, since this gives math error, you write no solution next to it. This part cannot be solved. For this one, we find absolute angle first, which would be cos inverse 1 over 3, which comes out to be 70.5. So we're going to plot it. Absolute angle is 70.5 and cos is positive in the first quadrant and the last quadrant. So 70.5 and 70.5 here as well. So we're getting two solutions. One is x is equals to 70.5 and the other one would be x equals 360 minus 70.5 to find this angle. 360 minus 70.5 would be 289.5. So this is the final answer.